He's just checking up if any birds are out there. Okay?
Bird nest.
Bird nest.
Which there isn't.
He's just checking, huh?
Because when the wind blows, those really rock. Look, now he's on the all side.
I'm videoing. It's videoing and you're talking. So be quiet.
See how that's the look. See the ships in them? Shooting?
Where?
Right there at the other side of the thingy that they're putting it in. See?
Oh, yeah.
That's all. Wood chips.
It's Denise checking it out.
They're even doing the part of the tree, the top of the tree.
Where? It's so cool.
Oh look, there's Austin just going, whoa. He's staring at it.
I see. It's going like...
There it
The
goes.
other one. Oh! Timber!
Oh, wow. Cool.
It fell in the yard.
Oh, my goodness.
What?
Look at the sun that's coming through.
I know.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Trees have been just blocking it a lot. Oh, whoa, wasp right there.
Where?
Right there in front of me.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
I saw it.
Come right up in front of you. Monster thing.
Monster truck eating that branches. Watch out, buddy.
He's a lot all over that poison ivy.
I know.
It's cool.
Up, you pick them up both. Nope, both up. Up, don't hit the machine. Going off the curb. Look at Austin still watching.
Yeah. He's funny.
What is... Oh, you bring